we'll go through and we'll check this indicator here in the product master. What is the mapping of HU type and bin type? We'll just discuss that in previous slides, or what is the impact this one. And here you can see this. You can make the group of means the HU type. So once is the storage type, the HU type determine the storage type, and based upon this one your bin type is determined. And you can group also these things and assign to this one. So for product master, this is the HU type, HU type. So here there is a HU type group is there. So if you maintain HU type group, then multiple HU type you can group under the one group, multiple HU type you can group under the one HU group, and system determine based upon this one also. So grouping can also possible. So let me connect with the system. Maybe everybody is a bit confused. So if you come in the configuration, and all these things is the configuration.
We see only the PowerPoint, not the system.
Oh, not. Sorry. Let me reshare the screen. This is not dynamically changed. I think that every time I have to change this. Are you able to see now?
Yes.
Yesterday you covered these two parts, like just go through for just a recap that all the indicators is here. You can put the different sequence and also assign. You can take the indicator, put in the multiple, like there is a put indicator. So if there is a put indicator you make, system will go through these 4 bins. Storage type. Same things if you in our 7710 warehouse, you see they maintain against this one. So these are the sequence of the storage type system will search. These are the indicators. So if you come here, see HU type. So first is the bin type. First you have to define the bin type here. What are the bin? Is this the different size of the bin, like big size, height 1 meter, 2 meters. So you can define the bin as a under the particular warehouse as a bin type. And inside this one, first you have to define, and after that this bin type is associate with this one, that storage type. So this bin type is only put, means figure it out, fit in the particular storage type. So that is the mapping, that this bin is, suppose that one storage type has a 20 bin. So you can create the 5 bin of A, bin type A, 5 bin of B type, C type 5, and 5 is for the D type. So you have to enter here that the bin type 5, what are the 4 different bin type this storage type can hold. And once you create the bin, you have to create with this bin type data, 5 bin, all these things. So material, once you want to put away the product, system understand this product can hold 4 different bin type, and based upon the bin type, which bin is suitable for this product, this will redirect based upon this one. So that is the one basic mappings for the bin type determination through the storage type. Same things is here. You define the this is as a bin type and a storage type. In our slide, you see there is a bin type is defined in 2 places. One as a storage type level, one is HU level. HU means handling unit type. So this part here, the bin type determination, and the bin type determination, I just minimize this. So under this one, you have a bin type and you have to assign this under this one. And this is the alternative sequence. So if you can have multiple, then you can put what is the different sequence of this one. Sequence 1, 2, 3 and all. So you can put here too. That's why you discuss about one bin type and one stored multiple sequences. And here, under this one only, HU type is there. So you have to define the HU type, and each HU type you can make the group also, and after that you define HU type with a storage type. So if you click here, you see this HU type will go to particular this storage type can hold the multiple HUs type. So the E1, E2 and all. So if in the sequentially you can put all the HU type, which has a palette, means that you have a cartons, palettes and all. You have to put this entry here. So with this combination, also system search or filter what are the suitable HU type once the packing happen. Based upon this one, system search which is suitable HU type is for this storage type, and after that there is a bin type. Sorry. So here see the sequence of the bin type. So this is a storage type, HU type, and the bin type sequence. So these are the parameters the system is searching during the filter criteria internally. You have to check if their system is not determining bin for put away. Then if you are using the bin type for the final put away, then you have to check all this parameter is set properly or not. Your HU type is mapped with the bin type, or storage type is mapped with the bin type, HU type or not. So system can search these things and finally get bin for the put away. And what you are talking about, if you are making the group, this is the group. So HU type group you can make and put in the product master. So this is if you are putting anything in the product master, that has a more priority than the searching inside this one, because this will directly map to the product and the bin type in HU type. So this will always come with the priority, more priority than the system going through the different filter criteria. And here you can define the rule, that put away rule, what we are discussing here, that palette, bulk and all. And the role is, there is two things in the storage type level you can set here. Somebody just curious to see in the master data. You can go to storage type. This is the role. So this rule is that what kind of is this the regular storage, ID points, door, yard, and work center and everything, because everything has a this one. And role is here put under the put away. You can get here the put away rule. So what kind of rule you want to set? So 5 is that empty bin. So always system propose you the empty bin. If you want to add as for the is there a stock, and after that you want to some more optimization of the product, means your warehouse space, then add to existing stocks is required, because if the bin is not full, system will propose the same bin, but in this case system is always propose the new bin, empty bin. We'll go through these fields in one class, all the storage type level, what are the different parameters you can set here. And in the packaging specification, you see there's a different level and all parameters you have to set to define the packaging specification. And once you maintain the packaging specification, package is also one kind of material. Product master, there you have to create the product master only. First you have to maintain the product master, and after that against this product master you have to maintain the what different product you want to pack inside this one. So suppose that there is a 3 product, you have to A, B, C, but this packaging material can hold A 10 pieces, 15, B as a 20 pieces, and C is the small product 50 pieces. So you can put this under the packaging specification, and system can identify based upon the quantity received, can pack in the multiple of the HUs, that if you receive the more quantity, they break as for the packaging specification and create the HU so that you can pack in the multiple HUs. Okay. So is this slide and this configuration is aligned, synchronized, or still you have some, anybody has any query or anything? Okay, then let me go through the other part, few more slides I prepare for the inbound, and we'll go through the, maybe tomorrow I'll go through the inbound cycle so that this will more clear. As you know that the inbound processing, you always, the PO has to set the confirmation control, because other than that, this is not a, inbound is not always required. But if you put the confirmation control, then you have to go through the inbound process only. And you can create through the BL31N and ASN also there. And once this is distributed, then you can use the PRDI code to check this one. And the delivery status, last times you check for the outbound delivery, status is changed to distributed as a header level data. This one. So once the delivery is distributed, and this, once the delivery is distributed, the status is set as a B in distributed, and after that you can go in this transaction code, in the PRDI. Nobody will tell the whole SCWM underscore PRDI. Generally, they are using the PRDI.
And Sanjay, I think your screen is stuck. Actually, we are not. It's a. I think.
Okay, let me reshare once again. Are you able to see now?
Yeah, now we are good. Yeah, it's a PPT, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you will discuss up to this one, and after that we are discussing that how you will create the transactional data for inbound delivery. So you have a purchase order. Against purchase order, you have to put the confirmation control key. based upon this one system you can create the inbound delivery. Inbound delivery can create in the different way, like batches through ASN, manual and all. We'll discuss. And after that, you go and check this is distributed or not. System will already throw the message, the messaging information in the bottom that this is distributed and all. But if you want to check, you can go and check in the header level that status, is this distributed or not. After that, you go to PRDI transaction, and in this transaction, you have to put under the find, you have to go the LE ERP delivery numbers. So the option is there. You just choose this one and you put the ERP documents number, system will give. So under the find, you have a purchase order number also. You can also get through the purchase order number, ERP document number, EWM document number, manufacturing order number, because once the manufacturing orders is created, you are also creating the inbound delivery for goods received. So you can also search, but suppose that one inbound delivery has a multiple, one manufacturing order has a multiple inbound delivery, then all the everything is listed in this way. So in this case, you have to search which particular inbound delivery you are looking for. And that is not through the reference one. So one by one, you cannot go and check. So how the process type determine, this is the screen that IBN is the document type. INV is the document type. You can put here the indicator, process indicator. Based upon this one has a 1010, one has a 1011, one has a 1013. So document type is same, but here if you see the process, by putting the process indicator, you can differentiate what WPT you want to use. And that is the product specific, means that material master, product master specific. This is the same things that you go and create the task. Like a task has, once you create the first task, this is the put away. And here I just highlight the few things is that F1, because a stock, did you see here, this is the F1 stock type. And this is the put away. After that, this is going from 1910 to your final bin. These are the few other warehouse parameters like warehouse order, what is the activity you want to perform, what are the rule, WOCR rule created for this one, what is the date, what are the confirmation dates once you confirm. And once one important parameter is
too much data in a single screen.
Yeah, that is, let me get this. Are you able to see now?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the not required for us. I just give you the information because system is in the background, automatically create these things for you. Okay. And this will hold all the information. That's why the task and order is important for us. So anybody will tell us that what are the, when the product is moved, what are the different dates, or maybe if this is a stock, how you come to know? You have to go and check the warehouse task in the monitor. You have to go and inside monitor, in this one, you can get all the information. See here, HU type is also. If this is web minus, the web detail is there. And one important parameter is here, your document reference. So if the document reference is PDI, and this is the number, it means this is EWM document number. And that is the items. But this is the important things. These are the important things where to here move. What are the quantity you move? The rest is that who will move and all. System for a warehouse point of view, everything is important, but You can just check this one. These are the important, and this is the one of the important things. What are the inbound delivery, against which inbound delivery this task area. See here, this is the process type. This is confirm status. Then this is the W put away one. The numbers he is also here. So that's why I tell you this is the detail level of the data, because from where to where you want to move the product. That is the first part. Second part is that against which reference you are moving. Is there in any documents reference? Suppose that if I am moving the product just for internal movements, like a bin to bin move, or means, then the document reference is not associated with this one. And this is not a put away, because then this is the internal moves. So these are the important things system will capture during the any move in the product in the warehouse. And that is the internally, once you create the task has all the information, because suppose that you are going after 1 month, you want to find who moved this one, who confirmed this thing. So system will hold all the information inside this. Okay, anything means looks like a bit heavy. So any query, anything?
So Sanjay, I think you will be covering the returns process also, right? So in the returns also we create the return delivery and then kind of inbound delivery, right?
Yeah, if you want to go through, I'll complete this one. I put the initially I put the inbound. Everything is inbound. Section is called the inbound. That's why I put the return delivery, manufacturing order, subcontracting, and everything is coming under the inbound. Our process is receiving process is high level same. Only your document type is different. Your put away rule is different. And your batches is different because you are not using the F1, means the new batches, because this batch is old. So batch sometimes is blocked because customer is returning the product, then customer inform you that I am going to return this batch. You have a paper. So in system, they generally put on the block so that nobody use these things. So these are the business discipline.
Yeah.
But I will go through I put the few slides in the top. I will go through this one.
Sure, yeah. Especially the document type on the EWM side, right, for returns. So is that still going to be your IN?
No. This is not. You are not mixing two document type. Otherwise, our process type is WPT is same. So you cannot do this.
Okay.
So once you receive the product in one storage type concept, yesterday you discussed something. So the availability group, how this is changing, you see in this screen that if I am put some bigger here, you see this is the moment type in the EWM sites. So once you go and check in EWM site, system will posting from one storage. two different one. Can you mute? So here you see in the document posting is that this is the one storage type and this is the one storage type. Rest is the similar kind of data. So in the background, one bin is called a GR zone. This GR zone is called a virtual bin, like a staging kind of. So staging has all the stock type is F1, and once you do the final put away, then in the background system do this kind of transfer from one to one. Okay, I just put one slides. I think that serial number. Last time somebody, RK or somebody, Sudhakar has some query of the serial number, how the system generate and all. We'll go through serial number and batch in the more detail. But so in EWM, serial number is coming as a different kind, means at what level you want to maintain. Suppose that you don't want to maintain, that is very easy, that nobody want to maintain. But after that, there is a three different kind of that. One is documentary, one is warehouse level, and one is inventory level. So you have to create the profile for this one. And in serial number profile, you have to put this indicator that at which level you have to create the profile, and in profile you have to identify at which level you want to maintain the serial number. So this is the documentary level, means only on the documents you maintain the serial number. In the transaction master data, no need to maintain any serial number. Warehouse level is that inbound and outbound delivery, STOs and all, you maintain this one. So in the transaction data, you maintain this one. But the same things is not available at the bin level. That if you go and check which serial number in the particular bin with the associated with the serial number, this is not available. But if you maintain for serial number for the inventory level, it means that serial number is associated with the bin. Means that in the particular bin you will get all the serial number which is inside the bin. So that is the basic difference between the serial number, the four different serial number in the EWM, and everything is associated with the serial number profile. And we will define the serial number profile here. I'll go into remote desktop. Let me know you are able to see everybody. Able to see my remote desktop?
No.
Okay.
So
Yeah, go ahead.
serial number profile, we have that in product master, right? I mean,
Yeah, serial number profile in the product master. You maintain the product with the serial number profile. You're right. So if you come here, and even the configuration is under the product. So see serial number profile. So how you maintain here, this is activate and all. First you have to activate the serial number. This is the serial numbers, dependent serial number profile. So you have to activate under the warehouse. So see here, this serial number, here this is nothing setting for the serial number. So you have to activate this one against this, which kind of profile you have. And see here, serial number putting at the warehouse level. So here you have to put the number length. Then the system will identify what are the length of the serial number. Is this provisioning serial number? Then you have to put here, and warning message required at the document type time. So you have to just check this part. here, yes, serial number profile. So this is maintained here, serial numbers, what is the different serial number and how you stock validation or this is required, and what one specific screen I just want to share with you. So because there is no data, so if I see, then you will see here that the different, what is the 4 different type of serial number, your documents items level, warehouse number level, and inventory level, and no serial number required. So this profile is associated with the material master, and once this is maintained, then only that you have to maintain the inventory as this one. And this is also in the material level. This is not only in the product master, this is also ERP product. That if you see here, then there is a 2 extra view come once this is EWM managed product. EWM execution and packaging. These 2, and this is the new segmentation is come. Before this was not there. So this is the, see here, this is the serial number profile. So once you maintain here, this will transfer to EWM also. And this profile is EWM, this serial number profile is similar to the material master profile. This material master profile under this tab, WM execution view, this is similar to EWM profile. So once you configure, system will allow to pick here. And that is the going from one means the ERP to EWM and all. So system can maintain this one. And in the packaging, you maintain the HU type and all the details. This is also transfer from ERP side, means S4 side, to EWM. And I think that is the new one, the segmentation. Okay, so these means material masters impact the put away for the determination of the suitable bin. And once, let me see one thing. Yeah. The customer returns is that you have to define your document type in the ERP side to the delivery type. Means you are defining the ERP delivery type to EWM document type. So generally return is that start with the RET. That's why means that you are using, but you can put the GRET or something. This is the 4-digit letters. So you can map against this one. And the process is that if there is a customer return, this is inbound. So you have to check at the time of means the PGI delivery, this is the outbound, but once the return delivery come, this come under the PRDI, and you have to goods receive against this one. And this, the mapping of the documents is come under ERP EWM documents mapping section. So let me share this. So if I come here, and this is not only one, you have a different document type for the inbound process. Means inbound can be different way, like what you discussed as subcontracting inbound, manufacturing order also you can do. STO has a different one. So you can differentiate this every document. You have to map every document type here. In here, SCM, EWM, integration, interface, ERP integration, delivery processing. You map here all the document type and item category. Did you see here? These are the, because return and everything is not mapped here. You have to map, you have to define this process, return process here, set all these things. So you have to put here the return process, and here what are the new document type. These are the ERP sites document type, and these are the your return new document type you are creating. And what are the item category for this one also. What document type and item category, these two parts you have to map here. This is the there is a document type here, and this is I is generally for indicate for inbound, means the manufacturing orders. Against the manufacturing orders you will put this one, and these are the document type. So even for, suppose that you are subcontracting, you are defining, because as for the document type only you have to process, because the WPT is determined based upon the document type. So suppose that once you receive, some product is going directly to the quality area, some product go through the intermediate area, some product is come and sit on the, means that in the packing goes on for packing. So everything is determined through our document type. To segregate the business process in the warehouse, you require the different document type. And that's why for defining any new business process, you need new documents and try to differentiate the business process and WPT for this one. So suppose that if I am going and there is a STO, so intercompany STO, intra-company STO, there is a document type is different itself in the ERP sites. So once you map, you have to create the different document type in EWM also, because both business process is different, then you have to create. So that WPT is different, your task will be creating based upon this one. So that's why during our previous session also, we'll discuss that WPT is the basic, very basic and a backbone for the task determination. And that is related to the document type. So just now, if you are going to backtrack how the WPT is determined, that is based upon document type. So this mapping, document type mapping is the critical to determine the warehouse process type and business process. So anything else today? We will go through some technical here and there. So anybody has some query? Okay, if not, then tomorrow I will again go through the inbound process. I will create few data, the PO based upon the purchase order. I will create the transactional data, and will travel through the purchase order to put away, and how system will determining the different steps, which is trigger which business process, and system finally determine the bin, put away bin. We will go through the coming class, means tomorrow we will go through this one. Is this good, or anybody has a different idea to go through for in the different topic?
It's good.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then maybe today we'll just closing 4 minutes before, so we will complete.
Okay.
This. Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
मेरा बेटा